you're spending more time fixing code than writing it. A recent study found that developers spend up to 70% of their time debugging and maintaining existing code, rather than creating new features. This is where AI coding assistants come in, tools designed to help you write cleaner, more efficient code in a fraction of the time. In this video, we'll be comparing 3 of the most popular AI coding assistants on the market: GitHub Copilot, Cursor, and Claude. First, let's talk about GitHub Copilot. This tool, developed by GitHub, uses machine learning to predict and complete your code. It's designed to work seamlessly with your existing code editor and can even suggest entire functions or methods for you. For example, let's say you're working on a project that involves data analysis and you want to write a function that sorts a list of numbers. With GitHub Copilot, you can simply type out the basic structure of the function and it will fill in the rest. Here's what it looks like in action. Describe a screenshot of GitHub